Okay, my name is Adebusoye Ayokunle Solomon. I did accounting in University of Ado-Ekiti. I served in Adamawa State as a teacher. 3 months after my service, I got my first job with Virgin Atlantic. And there I proceeded to London School of Photography to study photography, and here we are today. Yeah, my typical day starts with working out. I wake up in the morning and I sometimes go to the gym, or sometimes jog around or just walk around just to keep fit and keep the body system running perfectly and smoothly. Then I come to the office. The way I structured my business from onset, I don't shoot, or I edit all pictures and all video. So I have my guys, my staff that shoots while I edit all pictures and video. So I stay close to the office, so I walk down to the office to see what's going on, and I have a meeting with my staff, a briefing. We'll have a briefing in the morning, then talk about the last, if it's on Monday, we'll talk about the last weekend job, how it all went. Then I start editing. And I will edit and also attend to customers' calls and inquiries for weddings and events, while my secretary will attend to customers' calls for on inquiries for photo shoots in the studio and outside the studio. There I go till the day ends and I go home to sleep.
In plenty. This is the agreement that these two have reached, and therefore they've asked that we bless their union.
I realize it's so tough to do business in Nigeria. It's really tough. And I give kudos to every successful businessman, every successful entrepreneur out there that are really doing good as trying to keep their business alive. Number one, sustainability is a problem. To sustain your business, you will have to go through a lot. And another thing is growth. To grow your business in Nigeria is tough. But nevertheless, you need some technical skills and interpersonal skills. You need to learn more. You need to list out things and face them squarely and get this running. In my industry, the wedding and event industry, and this gives me a lot of concern. Why would business rise in Nigeria, and at the peak of someone's career, the business will start going down? A whole lot of business have rise and they fall in Nigeria. I try to study their weaknesses. I see, number one, government policy is a problem, bureaucracy is another problem, then a lot of photographers lack customer service. And one big lesson that I learned from COVID, and COVID taught me, was that the world has changed. COVID made me realize that it's now an internet and smartphone world. With a good internet and your smartphone, you can do a lot. Because we're all at home and we're connected. The Instagram community, the Facebook community, and every other social media community. So we're just posting throwbacks. I just went into my archives and I brought out all the beautiful good jobs that I've done in the past. And I started pushing them out. And it was really helpful. That helped me to stay relevant. It helped me to be on my client's mind. It was a big loss because a whole lot of weddings were cancelled and events were cancelled. A lot of people want refund on don't know. Number one, it was tough when I started. Number one, we're just new in the industry, and in Nigeria, people don't like to associate with upcoming ones. They want the big name, the big shots, and all. So how do you join the group? How do you become a member? How do you become relevant? What I did was map out strategies, and one of my key strategy was, how do I identify my immediate customers? If I can identify my customers, my immediate customers, then I'm good to go. All I need to do is convince you to use me. So I map out different strategies to meet with whoever needs a photographer and a videographer. And those strategies really worked. Remember when we started, we actually started big. We were doing DJ. I had DJ equipment, and I got a DJ that will go represent anytime we have events for DJ. We're doing live viewing with projector and slideshow pictures. We're doing photography and we're doing cinematography. So we do like 5-6 things at the same time. So the first person that booked us paid 200,000 naira for all the services. Gradually you keep changing, and you don't change to like 1.5. It depends on what you want. Okay, photography is a very lucrative business. It pays so well. And my advice for every young photographer or people that just want to go into the business is, number one, get the training from the best so that you won't have to start looking for where to train again. If you train with the best, you're already part of the best, one of the best, because you emulate him, because you do it the way he or she is doing it. The second thing is, have mentors, not just one person, 2 or 3. If it's one, fine.